Okay, so let me take you on a tour. This is the outside of this charming little 1930s brick and wood house. As you can see, everything is really overgrown. There's bushes and trees everywhere. The windows were boarded up on the inside, which was actually kind of a good thing. Um, oh my God, and this is from the back side of the house. You can see it has so much appeal, it has so much potential and possibilities. I really love this house. It is really cute. But with a little hard work, I think I can make it look really, really nice. Okay, so when you walk in the front door, this is what you see. They had taken most of the old furniture out, which was a good thing. Okay, so as you're looking and seeing into the kitchen, oh, this is that first front room, bedroom. It's really nice, but this wood paneling is everywhere. So I'm going to paint all the wood paneling. This room has a really cute fireplace, but got to close that up. Don't want anybody using it for sure. Um, it's got an interesting closet, so I'm going to have to kind of put something as a door to, you know, close it a little bit. Oh, and this is the second bedroom. It's a light gray-ish color paneling. Oh, you could see how they closed up that fireplace, which is like really, really good. Once again, they had a lot of shelving on the walls, which is good because it was put up really well. So that's a plus. This room also has a lot of light to it. Even though it only has one window, you can see it's actually pretty bright in there. Um, yeah, and these folks love French doors. They're everywhere, which is okay. I love French doors too. This is a closet, which is kind of weird. I know this is not a real good picture of it, but I'll show you some more later. Oh, this is the dining room. Why they left the lounge chair, I don't know. But on to the kitchen. Oh my goodness, there's so much work to do in this kitchen, but I love a challenge. It looks trashy as heck right now, but there's a lot of good possibilities. Um, my contractor, he's gonna make this so much better. We got to take all those cabinets down. Well, most of them because they're covering the kitchen window, which is really odd. Maybe they were gonna do a different window. Who knows? The sink is really nice. The countertops are really nice. The fixture, that faucet, is like a really expensive one. So I think the former folks were trying to fix it. Oh, they had a water leak, so got a big patch of the ceiling missing and got to tear out all that drywall. Um, yeah, it's a hot mess, but what can you do? Oh my goodness, yes, it has a garbage disposal. Oh, I don't even have a garbage disposal in my house, but this is really nice. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry the sound really sucks on this video, but this is what we got. I know I haven't sent y'all a video lately, so I wanted to get something out to you. Um, yeah, kitchen is really sad and icky looking, but since this is the before video, wait till you see the after video. But you could also check out my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and then you'll see a lot of like pictures as we go along. Okay, this room I think was supposed to be like for the laundry room. It's kind of sits towards the back of the house, and they just stuck the hot water heater in the middle of this room. But given what they were going to use it for, because they made like a really nice, you'll see it, it's coming up, pedestal stand. But that's not where we're going to put a washer and dryer. I'm going to get a stackable one and put it in the kitchen. It's going to be real pretty. I don't know if you could see it in the other pictures, but all over this house they had these beautiful ceiling fans in practically every room. They're really nice, so definitely keeping those. Oh, the back door is like it's like a hot mess. Um, I didn't even want to show you a whole lot of that, but it's wait till you see the after picture. It's gonna be nice. Oh, and this is the third bedroom. Yeah, it's sad. Oh, I just can't wait to paint up all this wood. But all the wood floors are very, very nice. Hardwood floors, they definitely don't make them like they used to. Although this particular floor is just that vinyl laminate, but I'm gonna get to working on this, and I promise you it's gonna be really, really nice. Um, One thing I never failed to understand is bathrooms and kitchens in remodeling. You're always having to fix other people's stuff, and yes, that is tape in the walls for the vine. I don't get it either. And they covered up the bathroom window. Although they started out nice pedestal sink, you know, tile floor, but a lot of work to do. But we'll make it happen. I'll make it real pretty. There's also a garage on site, which is a two-car garage, as a matter of fact, with electric garage door openers. It's really, really nice. Look how big it is. And oh, I'm so happy that we didn't find a whole bunch of junk in here and would have had to spend days and weeks clearing out. So just a little bit of stuff. It's already kind of pre-wired. And I got to get to work on that, but that's not a priority. Number one priority is getting that inside of the house fixed up. Um, but these remodeling jobs can be a lot of fun. I hope you'll stick with me and watch some of the other videos. This is like a giant crafts project. Oh, yeah, got rid of those because couldn't use that. Unfortunately, would have been nice, but no. So, that's all for now. Be sure to subscribe for all my videos and updates. And thank you for watching. Bye.